Hey guys, so today we have here the JBL Endurance Peak, and we want to take a look inside one of these earbuds here. So we're gonna have a little teardown, and we're also trying to answer the question if we can make a battery replacement in these earbuds. Okay, so first we are going to remove here the ear tips, and here in this case this is here the left earbud, and yeah, so removing the ear tips, it's actually the easiest part of the whole game here. So now we have to take a look at where we can maybe get access here. So in this case it's relatively easy to see here the difference between the gray plastic and the black rubber. So we're trying to get in there, and I'm just going to use here my old pocket knife, and I'm going to pry this open a little bit. So I'm going to remove some of this rubber, and let me give you here a little tip here right in the beginning. So in case you are trying to replace the battery, then you should try, instead of removing the rubber, try to just pry open the plastic that we're seeing that's opening up here right at this moment. But this is supposed to be like a complete teardown video, so I don't really care, just to get access. So I'm really going to take everything apart here, and that means that I am also here removing this rubber here, and then also here the little wing that goes out to the side. That's the lock here. So you can see here this is all glued in place, and then eventually I can remove here the entire rubber piece. And then if you feel up the rubber, the tip of the rubber, the end here, then you feel that there's something in there, and there I can find here this magnet here. See, this is a really nice and strong magnet. In case you need one, you can take it out of there. See, and yeah, so that's the locking mechanism here for the earbud. And now this is here what the rest of the earbud now looks like. So all the electronics are in here, and we can open this up by removing here the front cover. Basically here where you see the JBL and where you have the LEDs shining through. And I'm just going to use my pocket knife again. I'm going to pry this open from this end. That seemed to be the easiest way to get access. And you can see here now, as this opens up slowly, I can keep prying this open. This is glued shut really well. So here we go. And now you see how I open this up. Let's have a quick look. First look here at the PCB. You can see this here on the bottom. That's where you have here the two LEDs. Actually, one is the blue one and one is the red one. And if we take this, and if I now put this back into the charging case, then you can see here the right one is the red one. And then when I take this out here, and it's going to connect to the other earbud, to the right earbud, then the blue one, the left one, is going to turn on here at this point. But now let's keep going with the PCB. Let's take this thing out. I'm going to pry this out here. This is in there pretty good. And let's see what's behind there. So the battery has to be someplace. And so the first thing we see here in the plastic case here, there's these pins. And I'm going to carefully take this out because I don't know how long those wires are that go to the transducer. But here, now we see here the pins that are responsible for the charging, and then on the side of it you see here on the left and on the right, those metal pieces, those are more magnets. So these magnets are used when you put the earbud into the charging case, then it holds the earbud in the charging case. Okay, so now we can have a really close look at the battery. So in case you're interested in those values here that this thing has, take a quick look here. And the battery is glued here to the PCB, so when we remove this, we can have a really close look to this beauty. Let me zoom in here in case you want to look. You can just pause the video for a second. Now here on the left side we can see there's 4 wires total. soldered onto the board here. So two of them go to the battery, plus and minus, and then two go to the transducer, which is actually hidden here. So we don't even have access to that yet. So we still want to get to that. This is just going here through the hole, and we need to get access to the transducer from the opposite side. So here you can see we have to take this off, and then after prying here for a little bit, this is relatively easy to remove. And underneath we find here not the transducer yet. There's like this other shield here, like a piece of metal in there. So that's glued in really well, so I had to take this out. And then after we take this piece of metal off here, this plate, then we can see here now the transducer. That's what makes sound here, and you can see here the wire is connected to the PCB still. And if I push here from the back side against the transducer, then I can pull this out here so we can take a close look. You can still see here how it is connected. And when we take a look behind the transducer, then you see here another magnet actually here. Back there, you see that? And taking a look at the transducer itself, then here in the front, this clear plastic here, that is actually the cone. So you can totally see through the cone in this case. Let me poke this through. And as I take off the cone here, I'm trying to take it out. Let's see how easy that is. I already poked it through. Then you see here the voice coil is also right attached to it, of course. So let me take that out here. This is the red windings here. That's the voice coil. And we can easily take this out. So there's no spider or anything holding this in place. And that's all there is basically. So down in the middle, that's another magnet here. And now we already have seen everything that is part of this earbud here. So let's have another quick look here at everything together. And so this is it. I hope that you liked this video. If you have any more questions, leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe.